So, welcome to Tricky Brandy's vlog.
Welcome to Richmond Park, part of the Royal Park of London. Richmond Park is ancient woods, rolling hills, and wide open grasslands are bursting with life, from historic herds of deer to birds and vertebrates, fungi and wild flowers. It's no wonder that the park's London's largest site of special scenic interest and a national nature preserve. There's nowhere better to experience the great outdoors so close to the capital.
That's the deer. Oh dear, oh dear. So, welcome to Tricky Brandy's vlog. We are right here again at Richmond Park. And just to let you know, this used to be my playground. I used to run here pretty much 2 to 3 times per week. And to go all the way around is 13 kilometers. And behind me is the airplane queuing up to land to Heathrow. And just check this out. About to happen. It's the sunset. And it's not so cold. Look at me. I'm not wearing much because it's a very nice day. There you go. You see that? Awesome. There they are. We just walk from there. And okay, got a little drone going. Look, he's checking everything set up. It's going to fly. ready to take off. There it is. Smile, you're on the camera. There you go. So beautiful. Look at this, autumn. Look at the trees. The beautiful sky. Let's go. Where's the drone? Where's the drone? Where's the drone gone?
We are now leaving Richmond Park and we're heading to catch the sunset on the River Thames.
Oh